Hi, I'm Dani, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Postgres Change Data Capture pipeline with Estuary flow in under a minute. Let's go. Alright, to showcase this example, I'm going to work with a sales table that contains randomized sales data. As you can see, the table is being updated in real time. To create our data flow, the first step is to head over to the Estuary dashboard and provision the PostgreSQL Capture connector. For this, all you have to provide is the connection details for your database. Once that's done, make sure to verify that the sales table is indeed amongst the tables being captured, because it's the only table in our database that's a given. This schema looks good as well, so we can just click next, save and publish, and Estuary flow will immediately backfill the existing data from the database. As you can see, the collection is being filled with data in real time, and the schema looks exactly the same as the one we saw in the database. And that's it.